This pink screams all things summer. Let's kick off the ice cream collection by making this pink I'm calling Raspberry Sherbet. Sherbet? I don't know. So we're gonna start with a light pink base coat. I initially did a test applying the recipe straight to the stainless, and I found that starting with an opaque base coat had much better results. So for this base layer, I'm just eyeballing it, about a teaspoon of universal white because we're only applying one layer, and then 2 drops of number 2 red. Mix it well and apply it to your cup with a fluffy blush brush and allow 4 hours to dry. Then we're ready to make our recipe. Mix together a tablespoon of universal white, 1 tablespoon Brite Tone or Extreme Protection, 12 drops number 2 red, and 30 drops number 3 yellow. Mix it well for about a minute, making sure you scrape up the sides and the bottom to incorporate the pigment fully into the full mixture, and then apply it to your cup. I'm going to speed up the first 2 layers. Just apply it quickly with very light pressure using a fluffy blush brush, making sure to keep your layers thin and allowing 4 hours to dry between your layers. The cup will self-level as it spins, so don't worry too much about streaks. Since the colors we're working with are light and translucent, I still had some streaks after 2 layers. So I lightly sanded the cup to even everything out. Make sure you do this very lightly with little pressure and then clean it off with a dry rag. Then I added my 3rd layer, and I have great coverage and would absolutely be ready to glitter if this was a glitter cup. But I did want to make sure that we could get full coverage with this, so I added a 4th, and that was perfect. Here it is with 2 coats of Brite Tone over it, and I am in love with this bright summery pink.